18 is supposed to mean freedom, a license, a college form, travel, late nights, a life about to begin. But for some young people, 18 is a deadline. These are children who have spent their entire lives in childcare institutions and are suddenly expected to stand alone. No roadmap, no family to fall back on. Until yesterday, they were cared for, protected, provided for. And now, before the candles on their birthday cake even go out, they're expected to face the world on their own. This quiet indifference drew the attention of Anand Padmanabhan, who dared to ask an uncomfortable question. What happens to these children after 18? Early on, others joined the question. Among them, Anant Gangola.
इस उम्र के पास एक किस्म की बेचैनी, एक किस्म की बेताबी होती है। ये जो बच्चे सारी उम्र इन्हीं चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर्स में रहे हैं, अनाथालय में रहे हैं, जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में कोई निर्णय ही नहीं लिया। जो लॉ है वो एज्यूम करता है कि अभी 18 के हो गए तो अब ये चाइल्ड केयर इंस्टीट्यूशंस में नहीं रह सकते और इनको एक इंडिपेंडेंट एडल्ट के रूप में अपनी जिंदगी का निर्वाह करना चाहिए।
We Live Foundation stepped in to offer what the law could not. Continued support for young adults learning how to live independently. The first step was creating a place they could still call home.
शुरू से हमारा काम चाइल्ड केयर इंस्टीट्यूशंस के साथ ही था। चाइल्ड केयर इंस्टीट्यूशंस मतलब ऑर्फनेजेस और शेल्टर होम्स। When youth have to leave institutions at 18, they are called care leavers. तो हमारा मॉडल ये था कि उनको कैसे हम इंडिपेंडेंट अडल्टहुड के द्वारा लेके जाएं। And that we thought could happen by opening residential centers where these youth could come and stay and learn to live independently.
तो हमने शुरू किया महीनों की प्लानिंग, महीनों के डिस्कशंस और आखिरकार हम दिसंबर 2020 में अपना पहला सेंटर स्टार्ट कर पाए।
But this was just the beginning of a long journey filled with challenges.
हमारा सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये है कि हमें डेडिकेटेड केयर गिवर नहीं मिलते हैं।
ये जो यूथ हैं इनके पास सर्वाइवल के लिए जो बिल्कुल बेसिक स्किल्स चाहिए वो नहीं होती हैं। फिर खुद को संभालना, नौकरी को संभालना, पैसे को कैसे रखना।
The task before the We Live Foundation was not just to prepare these young adults to join the workforce, but also provide them the healing they needed.
Another key challenge area is the team emotional and mental well-being. It's not easy task as you come every day and deal with the youth who needs the support, their emotional well-being and their mental well-being. So as you come here and you take that emotion to at your home, so it will be very important. So you don't feel numb on these elements.
To grow into complete, well-rounded adults, work had to be done on.
ये एक सिंगल इनिशिएटिव नहीं था, एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्राम बिल्ड हो रहा था। पहला हमारा काम उनके साथ हाउसिंग या उनका एक जॉब दिलाना, दैट्स व्हाट वी वर कंसर्न्ड विद। बट देन देयर वाज वर्क ऑन देयर मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, रेसिलियंस, इमोशनल कैपेसिटी, एबिलिटी टू मेक डिसीजंस। फिर उनको मेंटोरशिप और गाइडेंस की बहुत सारी ज़रूरत भी पड़ती है।
Trauma is a reality for many who have grown up in childcare institutions, one that doesn't simply disappear with age.
I was grown in a childcare institution from my kindergarten. In my schooling time, I just ran away from that place just because of some physical and mental trauma which I faced there that cannot be explained. After completing my 18, I used to leave from the institution and it made me more difficult to survive outside, and I used to cry out in night times and I felt more loneliness in outside. Then I reached this foundation. Here I got a basic soft skills training and also I got a chance to pursue my bachelor degree. I also do a part-time job.
So what we aim here at We Live is the YPs are getting real life skills. So for that they go for fundraising and marketing work, and we also have our organic store where the YPs are just expected to show up on time, that hey, you're learning just to manage the store. So they're not just searching for jobs here, but they're actively building their future at We Live.
Our job is not to help them survive, but it is to make them self-reliant.
पहली बार मुझे लगा कि अपनी लाइफ को मैं खुद कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ और ये मेरा चांस है।
Today, over 200 young people have found stability, mentorship, and dignity through We Live's efforts. But the journey is far from over.
तो आगे का प्लान सिंपल है, कीप गोइंग, and keep growing.
Now it is your turn to support their growth. Join the work that begins when care ends.
क्योंकि हीरो का उल्टा विलन नहीं होता, हीरो का उल्टा होता है तमाशबीन।